my clicker, I pressed it. I didn't know it was going to activate my camera. Okay, technology is just so much fun some days. I'm sorry. So, wherever y'all went, I'm sorry. But life happens. I'm here still, but, it's now going to be 2 Facebook Lives instead of 1. Oh, life happens. But anyway, I have a clicker now, and so I can click pictures. I didn't know it worked on my Facebook Live. So, I learned something new right this minute. But anyway, the clicker works now on video, so now I know that. But I now have a stand, and when I went to visit grandbaby last time, I put the stand up and I just took random pictures, and I got some really great shots of me and grandbaby and my daughter. But you want to get some candid shots, you want to get big shots, you want to get posed shots, and you want to use them all during the different times to maybe emphasize something that you're talking about, either with your product or with something you're trying to accomplish or something you're getting to enjoy. So, hopefully, thanks for coming back, guys. Life can be funny. Now, I get a lot of comments sometimes on my pictures and on my videos about my backgrounds. Does anybody like my backgrounds? Give me a yeah. Yeah, you like my backgrounds? Well, I have to tell you, it's simple. I decided that I don't have a lot of space. I'm working from home, and I didn't have anything that I could really do a space. So I found one wall, and I hung a shower curtain. This is a shower curtain, guys. It's a shower curtain. And I have bought like 10 of them. I have a spring shower curtain. Of course, if you saw me over Christmas, I have a Christmas one. I had a fall one. I have ones that are out in the woods. I have ones that are on the beach. I have a variety so that I can change my background. And I have it hung from the ceiling. See, I got it hung. Things don't have to be complicated. And I just make sure my little camera doesn't show the edge of it. You see the edge there? Because I'm in my house. Okay? So you just angle the camera. But I've taken pictures and used them and made, sayings. You'll see them in my stories that I have used my backgrounds and put, a motivational quote with it. You want to try to take pictures of yourself, because when you want people to know who you are. You can post motivational quotes, but if you're getting them off Instagram, then that's an Instagram one. More than likely, somebody else will be using it. But if you take pictures of yourself with a good background, I've done a video in my backyard showing Mom's trees. I've done, you just go start taking pictures. You'll find some good ones when you just start doing it. There is something unique about every place on this planet. Even if it was the dump, I find a way to position myself maybe just right and talk about why the dump. We need to stop throwing away so much plastic. You need to recycle more, because the dumps are massive because we throw away too much stuff. But, the thing is when you start getting used to what you want and how you want to look and present yourself, of course, we have our little dream things. When I talk about, this is my goal board, this is my check that I'm working for, that I'm going to have 1 month, I'm going to have an $8,000 month. And these are things, I love line dancing, so I've got these that I can look at, because those are things that when I get to go enjoy those, when I get to go line dancing again, you can bet I'm going to have pictures of me, and I'll have somebody sitting there taking pictures as I go line dancing on the dance floor. Take advantage of situations, no matter if you're going for a walk, if it's in your backyard, pet your dog. I took a picture of the cat because I hung a toy. You see my cat toy? My poor cat loves to get on my desk, on my computer. How many of you all have a problem with a cat that wants to be right in your face? When you're trying to do a live, you're trying to do work on your computer, my cat wants to be right here in my face, in my lap. So I hung this toy from the ceiling so that he loves the dangle stuff, so that I can play with him and sit here and shove it and he'll go play with it. That way I keep the cat off my desk. But you have to, I take a picture of that. I took a picture of him playing with the toy on the floor. That's attraction marketing, guys. Taking pictures of things in your house, things that was important to me to keep the cat off there. So I thought it was kind of cute that now he comes and sits and in front of this toy, or lays down in front of this toy so that I will play with him. I've trained him good now. He doesn't get on my desk unless I don't have the toy out. But anyway, I hope you found value with this second live. I hope you've loved it. If you did, give me a hashtag replay if you see this a little later on. If you weren't here live for this, give me a comment. Give me a heart. Facebook doesn't like the thumbs up. It means that I'm going blah, 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 blah. If you give me a thumbs up. Give me some hearts, guys. Facebook loves when I give some hearts, some laughs. Go, wow. Don't do me a thumbs up, okay? I think I got a little more gusto than a thumbs up, okay? But hashtag replay, share this video with anybody else you know that wants to know how to present or do a little better with their attraction marketing, because people come to Facebook to be entertained, okay? Give them something to be entertained with, even if it's a 30-second video of you doing something stupid or your dog doing something stupid. People love it. Look at Funniest Videos. America's Funniest Videos. Look how much people laugh to see a video of animals and people doing something funny. Start using your camera. Use it often. Get good with it. Learn how to manage it. And of course, the clicker. I now know that if I pick up my clicker, it's going to take care of my video too. And I didn't know that. But y'all, have a great weekend and use your camera. All right? Have fun. Show people who you are. You have something unique. You are wonderful. You are amazing. Okay? Show us. People want to see that. Thanks for watching, Sharon. Thanks, Catherine. I appreciate you all being here. I hope to see you all next time. And if I can help you with anything, of course, in your social media marketing or mindset, please reach out to me. I'd love to help. All right? Y'all have a great weekend. Bye.